Seibor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Executive Member ke Khaïi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Seibor lang renja uba di UMDC na lingkerdam light kro ula yok ban bati kita nak bapher syekhen yongut ke Executive Member ke badang susha ajir nak bentaban penyat ki kam jong ke Executive Committee ke bathamai balai lam daga BPP katkum ki khubor berayok lum UCM uba Seibor lang ula pet hi ya katanat ilaka ke bapet ya ki CM bat sirdar nangta ula bat hi ya ke General Administration Department posting and transfer, establishment, appointment, market, forest, bat kiwe kitnat ada omdan babat na ki EM. Katba ya ke Tyngka ni ke finance, UCM ula IT ha uba Seibor lang warba uba de UMDC namau kenro constituency. UMDC nanong thamai constituency uba Winston Tony Lingdo ula bat ya katanat labor, ke kam Khaïi, ke bajupur king I license Khaïi syaki barjela, bat ke enforcement, bat revenue. Shushu UCM ula IT ha uba pawal soklet UMDC na paryong mauthat rashan ya katanat IT, land but development. Katbayi uba penkraw karjadin UMDC na mau kerwat la IT banpet ya katanat council building, council asset but building bylaws. Ya UMDC ka umrai constituency uba isen ahing la IT banpet ya katanat fisheries but water resource. Katbayi ki arngut ki kenthei kata ya ka kong deity majau ke MDC na malki la umkra constituency la IT banpet ya ka law and legal matters, marriage and divorce, town committee ya ka kong I bandablin Flingdo ke MDC na Milliam constituency la IT banpet ya ka health and sanitation but ke education.